All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the live stream. We have a massive update to be giving you, as somebody in the chat has just pointed out that the Pi cycle bottom indicator just flashed. What does this mean? Why are cryptos crashing and dumping every 2 seconds? What is happening? We're going to be getting into that in just a second. So make sure you guys give this live stream a thumbs up. And welcome. We got Felix in the house, Benjamin, Gringo, Big Neck, Saitama Dog in the house, J-Man, Sandy, Juicy Cheeks, love the name, Cyber, Copernicus, William Bartels, Tim, welcome, Raphael, Howie, Noel, Mike Russell, Jesse, Chris, Miguel, Tim again, Kyle 1890, Antonio T, Steven. We got Cy, Edwin, Auto 300, Desperado, Darren. We have James. We have Steven again. We have Smash Pros LLC. Love it. Crypto Believer. But are you a believer is the question. We have Dusty White, Crypto Dude, MJ, Howie, That Be Me 330. See, Pyro FLK, Mike. We got Doggy Doge, Washed Shark. We have Rick Bond in the house, ladies. Not James, but we have Rick. We have Mike Wheelis. Great to have you here. SR369, NTS Sonys. Kirsten, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Jeffrey, Joey, Joe, Baz, L. Rob. What is going on? Let's go ahead and smash up the likes before we get into the live stream as the crypto summer is here. Zippy, what's going on, my brother? Let's see if we can get the likes to 100 likes, and then we'll go ahead and start the stream. It's going to be a quick stream. We're going to be chilling. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. I'm going to tell you exactly my thoughts. We have a lot in store for you today, even though it's going to be short and sweet. You know, you guys have lives to live. We can't be here all night. MD Zeke. We have Jimmy James, Dustin the Beast, Naveed Khan. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys. So here we have it. Cryptocurrencies are crashing yet again. We are being dumped on live. Prepared to get dumped on again and again and again. Look at this, guys. Just look at Ethereum. Ethereum is just dying. Cryptos are dying. Look at this. Ethereum just dumped down. Bomb, 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 bomb. Without any stop. Without a little fake out we had earlier today. A little fake out. And that's it. Cryptos are continuing to go down, and they are going down because of inflation. The inflation numbers are coming out tomorrow, guys, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Depending on how the inflation report comes out tomorrow, it's going to determine the crypto and stock market for the next couple of weeks, the next couple of days, the next couple of months. But I do believe no matter what the numbers are going to be tomorrow, that cryptos will pump in the meantime, that cryptos will be bullish in a couple of days. And as cryptocurrencies have been beaten down, they've been going down. They've been going down for just about a week now, almost a week. Tomorrow will be going down for just about a week. And whenever there is a significant amount of anything in the market, whether it's green, whether it's red, guess what has to come after it? The opposite. So we've been very red, and guess what has to come after the red? Green. There's going to be a bounce here soon, and I do believe it's going to be a big bounce. Let me know in the chat, in the live chat, if you think we are going to have a big bounce here soon, because I certainly believe that there is going to be a bounce, but do expect more volatility to come. I've been telling you guys in every single video, there's a potential crash. Warning, 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 warning. And guess what? It's happening. It's happened. It's been happening for the last several days because people are panicking of what is about to take place tomorrow morning with the inflation report. So I'm not panicking. I am not freaking out. I am not worried because guess what? No matter what that report says, cryptos are still going to go up. They're still going to recover. But I do believe cryptos are consolidating right now. It's another bear flag right here. We had a move down and we're trading sideways. Nothing happening. This means that we could probably have another move to the downside between now and 8:30 a.m. I think there's going to be one or a couple of legs down before we get a bounce. So we could see Ethereum close to $1,000 or under 1,000. We could be seeing that. We could see Bitcoin. What a Bitcoin. We could see Bitcoin under 19,000 between now and the next 24 hours. And look at this. This is Bitcoin, guys. The highs are getting lower. Low volume. The lows are getting lower. There's a big move about to take place. It's probably going to end up going down. So just be prepared for that. Be prepared that there's going to probably be another move down between now and the inflation reading report. And guess what? You have the inflation reading report coming out, and then you have the markets to digest the information. Then you have the New York session to digest the information. So there's going to be a period after 8:30 for a couple of hours. It's going to be volatility, and then the real move is going to be made, the real direction of the market. So I do believe that it is likely the past inflation reports have ended up coming above expectations. So inflation is getting higher. If inflation is getting higher, the Fed has to raise interest rates, and that's bad for the stock market. It's bad for cryptos. So we are at a key support level right now, and I do believe inflation is going to get better. Cryptos will be recovering soon. So yes, inflation is terrible. It sounds like it's going to be bad tomorrow. It looks like we're going to be crashing tomorrow. But guess what? Cryptos will bounce up. They're going to recover. They recover. No matter how bad the inflation report was this past month, guess what? Cryptos bounce up. And it's been a lot of times when the anticipation of the CPI is there's a lot of bearishness, a lot of crashing before the CPI. That means that traders, are probably going to end up pushing the price up because of CPI. No matter how bearish the report is tomorrow, we could actually get a bounce, a bullish move. So anticipate that as well. Anticipate both scenarios, but do understand there's some key levels that we have to watch out for. If Bitcoin breaks, ladies and gentlemen, if Bitcoin breaks this level here, 19,245, do expect to see 18,600, somewhere in that range. Bitcoin needs to hold above this line right here, guys. Bitcoin needs to hold it. But let me show you something very, very, very important. And we've been talking about this for the last couple of weeks. But guys, before we get started, go ahead. Before we dive further in, let's match up the likes to 150 likes. Let's see if we can get the likes to 150 likes. We got Dave's in here. Appreciate to have you guys. If you are new, make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos, time-sensitive live streams. But guys, look at this. Huge breaking news. So the Pi cycle indicator just crossed. It finally just crossed today, guys. Look at this. The Pi cycle bottom indicator. And if you understand Bitcoin, guys, the last couple of bull markets and bear markets, the last couple of bear markets, when this indicator has popped up, has called out the exact bottom on the exact date. So I do believe that we might begin to see prices recover and bounce up, no longer go lower than when the prices go low, either tomorrow or on Thursday. I do believe from Thursday, we're going to start to see some bullish price action. So let me know if you guys agree with that or not. But the Pi cycle bottom indicator has finally crossed. We are finally here. It has even crossed for Ethereum. Super strange. Crossed on the same exact day. Actually, Ethereum was one day early. So it's even crossed for Ethereum. Very cool. Very cool. So we may have reached the bottom. Let me know if you think we have reached the bottom, guys. Let me know if you think we're going to be going up from here. But I do believe there's going to be another move down, smaller move down before we do go up. So that's kind of what's in the cards. And as we see at 8 o'clock, the market kind of resets, and we are in the green here. So we are seeing green here. We're seeing Shiba Inu bounce up here. We have some cryptos bouncing up. Take a look. The S&P 500. The S&P futures are kind of trading sideways here. Nothing much. The NASDAQ trading sideways. We're going to have to see how the futures market responds to this. But cryptos are still. We're still kind of trading sideways, guys. And after a big move, when we just start trading sideways after a big move down, and we're just trading sideways, not moving much, that could be an indication that we're going to be heading lower again. Because look, every single time we have a move down, we start trading sideways. Guess what? Crashes happen. They keep happening over and over and over again. So just be careful. Be mindful. The markets are very volatile. This is a very risky time to be investing and trading. Set proper stop losses, have proper risk management, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do understand that. Now, if you guys want to be getting access to my most profitable trade alerts where we are making every week, making money profitably, We're making profits every single week in the Patreon. Go ahead and join the Patreon. I recommend tier 3 where you can get access to all the alerts. And guess what? In the Patreon, I put out stop losses. So if you guys were in the Patreon, you not only have been making money, but guess what? There are stop losses to pull you out before crashes get worse, before they get lower. So you don't want to pull out and not hold through all this crashing. So we're going to be anticipating the inflation report to come out. Hopefully it comes out bullish. Hopefully it comes out bullish. But there's a lot of inside people in this market. They understand before the inflation report comes out. There's people that already know the numbers that before they come out, and the market is heavily anticipating this bearish move. So it could be a fake out. It could be the whales. The market makers are trying to get people to think that it is going to crash and it's going to go lower to build up their shorts, to get people to think that it's going to be a dump event so that they get tricked out and the prices end up spiking, and it gets them to FOMO in to bring prices up even higher. So there's a lot of manipulation happening, guys. Just understand that. Understand that, guys. Understand there is a lot of manipulation. There's a lot of market manipulation, whale games happening, guys, left and right. Just understand that. We're in a very volatile time period, but guess what? The Feds are only going to be raising interest rates for so long. They can only raise interest rates for so long. And after that, guess what? In the next couple of months, they're going to stop raising interest rates. Inflation is going to get better, and stocks are going to start going up. Cryptos are going to recover, and this is going to be very good. What's keeping cryptos down, guys? What's keeping cryptos down is the US dollar. This thing is just on a tear. We finally topped out. Hopefully, we can actually start making some new lows here, and that's going to be really good for cryptos. When the US dollar continues to pump, it's really hard for Bitcoin and cryptos to move. It's very, very, very hard. So the US dollar is going to keep going up when interest rates are going to keep getting raised. When inflation keeps going up, the dollar is going to go up against currencies around the world, and that's what the DXY measures. So we're going to keep an eye on the market, and hopefully we get a bounce tonight, guys. Hopefully we get a bounce tonight, but don't get faked out. Don't get tricked into FOMOing in and bad positions, because there is just so much market manipulation right now. It's getting bad. It's getting bad. Just constant crashing after the other. Let's get into some of these comments. I hope to see the bottom. And yeah, I was able to adjust my volume. Can you look at the VIX? So we have the VIX. I was up 4% today. The VIX was up 4% today. But yeah, guys, I do think cryptocurrencies, just my opinion, could be totally wrong about this. I do think cryptos have bottomed out. I think that is a possibility, that cryptos have bottomed out. I do think this pi cycle indicator is going to gain some hype. It's going to gain some momentum that could push the market up, despite how bearish news is tomorrow. And this could be the buy the news, sell the rumor event. So because cryptos and everything is going down because of this event tomorrow, it could already be priced in. The drop could already be priced in, so that no matter how bearish the news is tomorrow, it can cause a pump. And we see that happen often. We see that happen often when there's bearish news that comes out, it actually pumps crypto. It actually pumps crypto. Is this the bottom? I don't believe that this little area, what we're looking at here, is a 1 minute chart. I don't think that what we've reached from today is the bottom. It could be. I mean, if we zoom out here, we can see cryptocurrencies are still a bit bullish. I mean, if we take a look at Bitcoin here, this is an M pattern that is bearish, honestly. But look at this. Bitcoin, we have our low. We have another low, another low. Bitcoin's forming higher lows. We have our highs. Bitcoin's forming higher highs. So that's another interesting thing to take note of. Hopefully Bitcoin holds here. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't come down to the support level. That's not going to be good. Bitcoin needs to hold. Bitcoin needs to hold this 19,000 range. Hopefully, Bitcoin can push up tonight. It would be nice to see cryptos make a move up. But I would not count on it. We're super bearish right now. And I do see prices heading lower between now and the CPI reading. But maybe they're going to start going up from now. Nobody knows. Nobody has an idea. But this is just volatility. It's short-term volatility between now and tomorrow, the next couple of days. Short-term volatility. Cryptos are going to be bouncing up here soon, no matter how bearish the news is. And even if the news is extremely bearish, it'll push prices down for a couple of days and cause a big bounce. So that's going to be it for today's live stream. I just wanted to hop on and share with you my current thoughts of the market as it is dumping. Just be careful. If you guys want to get access to those buy alerts, those buy and sell alerts, guys, you need to jump on those. As you can get access to when I'm buying, when I'm selling. You can copy all of my exact trades. And you can get access to the stop losses so you guys don't have to be holding through these crashes. You guys could be making profits consistently every single week. Taters and eggs, I love what you said. DCA and relax and enjoy the ride. This is a journey, not get rich quick. Totally agree. So that's going to be it for this live stream. Thank you guys so much for staying. Let's hope cryptos continue to move up tonight. Let's see if we can get that move up, or maybe they're going to get another move down. We'll watch for it. But if let's just take a look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks above 19,557, I'm going to be looking for a nice move up. If we break below, which we're very close to, 19,244, we're going to be looking for that move down. We're going to be looking for a pretty big move down. So